Hello everyone, today I'm with the award-winning chef Daniel, and today he's gonna make us something delicious using his family recipe. So what are we gonna make today?
Chloe, today we are going to make chicken tostadas.
Ooh.
Yes. We're going to start off with a smoked chicken, and we're going to pull it apart and make a quick and easy tostada dish that the family will enjoy.
Okay.
Okay, so without further ado, let's get started, right?
Okay, I'm ready.
So, Chloe, we have some fresh corn tortillas. We've already deep fried them, and we took some of Goya's pinto beans, and we've already mashed them up. We added the Goya seasonal to give some good flavor, and it tastes just like Mama's beans. I'm telling you that. So, we add some beans to the tostada shell here.
Ooh,
Start
that's a
off
lot.
right there. So this is the optional part, Chloe. You can add some type of salsa if you like to it. Just for flavor. Why not?
Okay. That looks so good already.
Yeah. So, Chloe, if you don't mind, I need your help.
Okay,
Can you get
of
some
course.
of that cheese and sprinkle it on the tostada shell?
Of course, I love to.
Yes, and don't be shy.
Okay, let me get a lot more.
Yes.
Okay.
So the good thing about what we're
That
doing
good?
here, Chloe, that's perfect. So
Okay.
that's a good start.
Okay.
So we're not finished yet. So what we're going to do now, we're going to melt this cheese.
Okay.
So you can either do this a couple ways. You can make a few of them, throw them in the oven,
Okay.
or you can use our friendly chef's torch here.
Ooh, I
Look
think
at
that
this.
one's my favorite.
Yes, look at this. Fire. So we start off, we just give it a, don't hold it too close to the shell there or you'll burn it. Go ahead and give it
Wow.
a try, Chloe. Just run it in a
Thank
circular
you.
motion.
It feels like birthday.
Yes. So now we got that nice and melted. We're going to give it a pause. We're going to add the rest of our dish here.
Wow, that smells so good already. The smell
Yes.
just bursts it out.
Oh, it's so delicious. Chloe, we've already taken our chicken that we smoked in the barbecue pit. We've already shredded it. We're just going to add some chicken, generously onto the top.
Yeah.
This is going to be a delicious dish here. Everybody's going to love it. You can add some more salsa here. Because who doesn't like flavor?
Everyone loves flavor.
And so let's add more cheese.
Okay.
So, and this
I
time,
got it. I got it.
You got it there. Don't be shy. Put it on there.
No problem. And we're gonna use the fire
Yes.
torch again?
We're going to torch it again. We're going to melt this cheese. Just so. Then we're going to come back here. We're going to add some onions.
Okay, all the basic.
Little tomatoes on top. And some cilantro. Why not?
Cilantros.
I present to you our smoked chicken tostada.
Ooh,
Would you like to do the honors?
let's give it a try. The chicken is so smoked. The flavor is just, it's really flavorful.